Hello, hi, I'm Jess. I'm Jess from Texas, and I'm a patient of Doctora since 2007. Kaya kung bumabalik kay Doctora is kasi malinis siya magtrabaho at saka pulido. Siguro ito rin sabi sa akin ng mga I was referred by my relatives here in the Philippines. So right now, my recent experience from Doctora, sa experience sa kanya ngayon is what I like from her. She will educate you. Talagang educate ako. No other doctors educate me before about my sa aking mga ngipin. So also what I like from her is as a senior, she also educate me as siyempre naging brittle na ating mga ngipin. So here she is. She's talking about how to maintain the quality of our tooth. That's how I like from Doctora. So Doc, may God continue to bless you and the job you've done to your patients. Thank you, Doctora. I'll be back again, Doctora.